Hi my friends, welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I do want to thank you for watching. This week's video is about my weekly giveaway. And each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and that it is a gift. There's no strings attached, no email required. And this week it is an ebook and a whole lot more. The ebook is called Squeeze Pages for Newbies. And it is perfect for newbies. I do want to get right to it, but before I do, allow me to share a quick story with you that I think you're going to enjoy. The name of the story is Gail's Biggest Test. Gail's a waitress. She works hard. She makes good money, but she certainly earns it. Most of the time her customers behave themselves, but Gail is young and she's attractive, so every once in a while they get out of line. On the other hand, Gail is smart and professional. She manages to always keep them in line. She always manages to be in control of the situation. But last weekend, however, a customer came in late. I think it was Saturday night, and he had ordered a couple of drinks and decided he wanted some food. Again, it was late, but she went back, checked with the kitchen, and Sammy says, "Hey, we're still open. I know what it's like to get hungry on a Saturday night." So she came back to the customer to take his order, and he said he had a question. So Gail was prepared to nicely reject whatever offer might be coming, an offer of a date and so on. But that wasn't the question. He said he had a question about the menu, please. Well, for a moment, Gail was caught off guard. That wasn't what she was expecting. But in a matter of seconds, of course, she was able to give a cordial response and yet keep him in his place. Gail replied, "I'm sorry, sir, but questions about the menu, please, is none of your business." Okay, let's get back to my weekly giveaway. And it is an ebook, but again, a whole lot more. This is a snapshot of the table of contents, and I'm sharing that with you because I want to give you some idea as to the value that's in the ebook itself. And it is for beginners, but it also gets into the sales path or the sales process or the sales funnel. And the path that you see here is more or less designed for your own product. But since this giveaway comes with resale rights, you could actually use this giveaway as your own product. The giveaway does come with an e-cover. The giveaway comes with an e-book. The giveaway comes with a squeeze page. It also comes with images, an order page, download page, personal use only page, a PLR use, a sales page, reseller package, and resale rights. And by the reseller package, what that simply means that you can give this away like personal use only and maybe sell the resale, or give it away as the whole package, or sell it as personal use and then have the resale as an add-on and so forth. So the link, the URL to the giveaway is https://Cutley, cutt.ly/newbie, NEWBIE-squeeze, SQUEEZE. That URL is https://cutt.ly/newbie, NEWBIE-squeeze, SQUEEZE. If you like this video, and I hope you do, give it a big thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. It's good for the channel. Do that right now if you would. And while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed, for goodness sake, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on these videos. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.